We already discussed our preconfigured tools, and I want to show how to add actions into this tool. Let's take a look call forwarding, and as we discussed, to use this we need to click use tool, fill the required fields or necessary phrases, and then we'll go to the parameters. In description, you can keep our default description when to call this function, and we will add action. For example, for call forwarding, let's add the SMS. This SMS will be sent to our operator. For example, if it is chat, we can call this, for example, into chat, for chat. And here we will add the action to let operators know that somebody requested the call forwards, because in case of chat we will see like to reach us contact to some number, because we cannot forward to the agent, but we can let the agents know that somebody requested the call forwarding. Here we need to put the phone number. This is your company phone number or just specific operator and so on. So let's put here any number. And in a message, let's put something like call forwarding requested. We're also able to add some information about the customer into the message. So, for example, during the chat, the model will collect some information from the customer, and we can also keep it in parameters and then pass it to the message. So, for example, the model during the conversation will collect the customer's phone number, or we can do it here. So, if it will be required, it will be or from conversation, or the model will ask while we'll trigger this function. This is the customer's phone number. It also could be the email address. That will be customer's email. Let's keep it as not required. So if it will be provided in the conversation, model will take it. If not, model will not ask about this. So just depends on the conversation. And also we can put it into our message. Customer's phone number, and pass this parameter here, and customer's email. If there no email address, it will be, this field will be just empty. So let's put it here, the email address. Okay, so this is it. When this function will be called, this action will be performed and SMS will be sent. Also, you can see here the announcement. This is some phrase which model can tell to the customer to avoid some silence while this function will be performed. So, for example, the bot can tell something that we are sending your information to an operator. There will be some to avoid this silence while the model sending the SMS. It will know the customers what's going on. So to avoid misunderstanding with model stacked and so on. So something like this. You are also able to create your own tools, just something like test tool. It will be LLM tool, and here is the same description, announcement, parameters, and you are able to add action. Here is the example of such custom functions. So they trigger this function to make a reservation. So this is the function for the reservation only. Here is no announcement, and here is some parameters that we're collecting or from the customer or from the conversation, but they're necessary for us. You can see that they're required. And here is attached a simple like a dummy action which will return some value in this example, just the reservation created. So this is the not the real reservation, but we need to let the model know that something is done, and it will answer with this reservation ID to a customer. So you can add any actions here. You're able also to add some Google actions. They're disabled for now because they're for these functions, for these tools, this needs integration. So you can navigate to integration tab and there make this integration, and there it will be enabled for you. Here you can search, event, delete, update, and so on. Also the Telegram. For this also we need to make an integration, and in the next videos I will show these integrations. So that's it.